Hi, this is Susan Catapano, and I have had two Global Scholar Awards. The first one, I traveled to Greece and to St. Louis and New York City, and I looked at the issue of refugees and new immigrants. And my research question was on how do teachers support refugees and new immigrants in their school, and what issues are these folks facing when they come into their schools. And it was fascinating work. I guess the biggest thing I learned that I share with my students is to get to know the students outside of school and to understand where they're coming from and why they are here. And that will do a lot to help teachers support those children and families. Another thing that I found was very interesting was the fact that a lot of our refugee students are not in formal school where they were living. And so school is a brand new thing to them and to their parents. And so the expectation here that our parents participate in school sometimes doesn't work out that way. And so teachers have to be willing and able to make a place for our refugees and new immigrants regardless of what they're used to and what their expectations are. My second grant was to study some European curriculum models that have been adapted here in the United States. And so I traveled to Portland, Oregon, and to New York City again, and to Chicago, Illinois, and I looked at several examples of Waldorf schools, schools that have adapted Reggio Emilia and project-based learning, and I also looked at some schools that use in multiple intelligences. And I am using this information to inform my students who are taking curriculum and instruction classes. I'm developing a website that'll include my photographs and information that I've learned, resources, and that sort of thing. And I'm really excited for next year, or this coming year. I've gotten another Global Scholar Grant, and I'm going to actually travel to Reggio Emilia in Italy and do their study tour. So I would be able to bring back the project-based child-centered learning from that location as well.